This is Nueredo Public Security, interrupting your regular programming to inform you that a hollow warning is now in effect. A significant concentration of ether has begun to build up in Lumina Square. At this time, we advise all residents of Lumina Square to evacuate immediately. All other residents of Nueredo should shelter in place. More information will be broadcasted as it is available.
Attention! The previous message was entirely false. Return to your homes. Repeat. The previous message was a hoax. Return to your homes. Anonymous hijackers have infiltrated the New Nueredo citywide warning system and displayed a message claiming that a hollow was forming in Lumina Square. This is completely untrue. Please return to your homes immediately. This false warning has already caused significant panic, and as such, curfew will be in effect tonight, for all citizens of New Nueredo, starting now and ending in 8 hours. We assure you that the criminals who caused this hysteria will be apprehended. Thank you.
Is addicted to fentanyl. They love smoking it, snorting it, injecting it, and even eating fentanyl every day as they do their dailies to farm materials for the upcoming Bernese ban.